guys, I'm Dia and you're watching Shooting Stars. Today I will be showing you how to do the backbend kickover. So let's get started. So starting with, you have to be knowing how to do the arch. If you don't know how to do it, check out our arch video, link in the description. So once you know how to do the arch, we need to do the kickover. So for that, you can use a wall, then just arch back and then use the wall to climb up and then just kick. So once you've got it with the wall, you can try it with a sofa or bed, and once you've got that, you can try the backbend kickover directly from the floor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and click on the subscribe button if you're interested in learning gymnastics. Bye bye. See you in my next video.